Hi, my name is Idris. I am currently learning data analytics at the MZ and so far it has been a wonderful experience. And I must say that I've learned quite a lot of things, some of which are the skills that are necessary to excel as a data analyst, also the basics of spreadsheets. You talk about the formulas, the functions, and lots more, the data visualization tools, and also how to ask question as a data analyst, how to ask effective question. So all this and lots more are those things that I've learned so far, and I hope to maximize the opportunity as I proceed with the course. Also, I want to use this medium to thank the organizers of the program who have pulled resources together to help. And I say a very big thank you to you, and God bless.